This 2026 Prime Time Sanibel 38 Laundry is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in San Angelo, Texas, 76905 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, San Angelo. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Prime Time is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features a ONYX interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.